If you've been mistreated at other car dealerships, listen to what a Sunset customer has to say. Brianne wrote this note to us. We were recently at Sunset Chevrolet to purchase a new SUV, and we had our small children with us. The Sunset salesman was amazing. No high pressure and not pushy. He made sure the kids were comfortable. While we waited for the paperwork to be ready, he put us in a comfy, kid-friendly room with toys, air conditioning, and lots of space to run and play. He even offered to go get the kids lunch. Weeks later, he reached out to us to make sure we were completely satisfied. Sunset went above and beyond for our family. Without Sunset's patience and sensitivity, we would not have purchased this vehicle. I highly recommend Sunset. You will not be disappointed. Sunset customers also get warranty protection for life, oil changes for life, and maintenance for life. Sunset exclusives, extras that'll save you thousands down the road. You just get more when you're part of the Sunset Auto family, and people do like that.